Your heart beats 100,000 times today. The least we can do is thank it. 5 foods that silently repair your heart. Fatty fish like salmon and mackerel are rich in omega-3s. They calm inflammation, lower cholesterol, and protect your heart from stress. Oats gently sweep away bad cholesterol like a quiet guardian, cleaning your bloodstream. Leafy greens whisper to your arteries, relax. Their natural nitrates improve blood flow and ease pressure on your heart. Berries are tiny soldiers of antioxidants, protecting your blood vessels one bite at a time. A small handful of nuts fuels a strong heartbeat. Healthy fats, magnesium, and fiber, nature's perfect snack. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to Healthy Path for more tips on health, wellness, and living your best life.